we hit on the different kinds of media appearances you might have, and all of them require different prep. So you have your live interview. Most times a live interview is short. It could be anywhere from 3.5 minutes to 8 minutes. You know, it's not as if you're going to get a 60-minute interview for 60 minutes. Even if you got a chance to go on the late night talk shows, that is a short interview, and you want to make as much impact as possible. When you go on streaming or podcasts, you have a longer amount of time. You can share more. I mean, when you went on Kai's to Nuts, how long was that in? 2 hours, right. That's a lot of time to fill. And when you're on for 2 hours, you have to think about how you're going to inject your project, your passions, insert it within those 2 hours. So people continually remember more than a pretty face. They're like, oh, wait, she's releasing Don't Forget the Keys. When is that happening? Oh, November? I'm going to remember that because she's told me several times in an organic way throughout those 2 hours.